I've been using the Webull mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. One of the main reasons I chose Webull was its robust set of features tailored for both beginners and active traders. Its app offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options, which is a significant advantage for those looking to minimize costs. Additionally, its user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate through various tools and resources. On top of that, Webull provides advanced charting and analysis tools, catering to traders who require in-depth market data. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, while the app excels in trading features, it lacks access to mutual funds, which might be a limitation for some investors. Furthermore, the educational resources within the app are somewhat limited, which could be a drawback for beginners seeking comprehensive learning materials. Another aspect worth mentioning is the app's security measures. Webull employs standard security protocols to protect user data and transactions. However, as with any financial platform, it's essential to use strong passwords and enable any available security features to safeguard your account. Overall, my experience with the Webull mobile app has been positive, especially considering its competitive trading fees and advanced tools. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.